Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create customized reports on Google Analytics 4. So for that you need to open up your Google Analytics account, and after that hit up to your reports, and here you will be able to see your report. Now in order to customize it according to your preference, then you will find this option of customized report on the right hand side. Just click on it. Now you will see this panel. Over here you will be able to see on the right hand side that there is a panel out here. You can customize it according to yourself. Like if you want to see something else on the top, like you don't want to see overview to be on the top and you want to see the users of different countries of your products, then just drag it up and leave it above overview. So this way you would be able to see it, and this is how it will appear. And this way you would be able to bring the most important aspects of your analytics on the top and drag down the least important ones at the bottom. And if you want to add some new aspect to your analytics or report which is not present in your current report, then simply scroll down to the very end, and here you will find this option of add cards. Just click over here, and now you will find a summary of different cards over here. But if you are not able to find a card which is required by you, then just simply click over here on other cards in order to find it. And if you are also not able to find it over here too, then just simply search for it, and as soon as you search for it, just select it and add card option will appear over here. Just click on it and this card will be added to your report, and this way you would be able to customize it. And this is how you customize your reports quite easily on Google Analytics 4. If you want to know more about it, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.